Namaste. This is Harshvardhan from Mysore, Karnataka, and I have a very long history of serious neurological disorders, including epilepsy, which hasn't responded to any treatment. Also, because of the modern treatments, there were a lot of side effects, and for the last 5 years, all my muscles and everything have become stiff, and it was getting worse and worse. And in November 2022, I came in contact with Tanden center and started various healing processes. And also, I have completed 2 semesters of acupressure therapy. Also, absolutely no medicines. It's only about your posture and various different healing processes.